Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can check whether a given property or method is existing in a object. Okay, I created this person1 object using this constructor property called person. Now I want to check whether is there a property called name. For that I can use if statement. In the parentheses I can type the property name or method name we want to check whether it is existing. I want to check whether is there a property called name. Okay, I type name and we have to use the keyword in. Okay, and finally we have to provide the object name. Person1 is my object. Okay, now if that existing, we can console.log something like name property is existing. Okay, existing. Alright, now we can go ahead and open the terminal and use node to run our JavaScript file. Node and the file name index.js. Now we got name property is existing. We can also check whether a method is existing or not. For that, only we had to do just provide the method name here. And let's run again. And before that, let's change this like save method is existing. Now we got save method is existing. Now if we replace this with something else that is not available, we can see we are not retrieving an output. Instead we can provide an else statement. Okay, let's say like else. In the else statement we can say save method is not existing. Fine. Now let's run again. Now we can see this should be saved. Saved method is not existing is coming here. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.